Hi everyone, hello teacher Mr. Dan. Let me introduce myself. My full name is Phạm Đồng. My student ID one one nine 146 320. I'm a junior and my major is mechanical engineering in the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering. Today I would like to present my research paper with the title "Intelligent Disinfection Robots Assist Medical Institutions and Controlling Environment Traffic uh, Disinfection". The content has four parts, include introduce methods, re- result, discussion, and conclusion. Part One Interior, International Socio-Economic Development and Medical Reform have permitted the medical industry to move to intelligence. Their model has achieved cost reduction associated and hospital infection prevention and control. The outreach of the coronavirus disease become a significant public health emergency. Disinfection of a medical institution environment is critical. Next, uh, as recent several questions remain regarding the disinfection effects of installation disinfection robots in hospital environment. Their question concerns whether the disinfection effects of installation disinfection robots differ from that of traditional manual disinfection by cleaner. The role played by installation disinfection robots in saving human and material resources and how they can be paired and with manual works to achieve optimal disinfection rates and work sashimi in future infection disease outbreaks. Their concern require ongoing practice and study in real-world hospital settings. Next purpose, firstly, is ensure that the disinfection quality will be accurate and safe. Secondly, with the need to create inconvenient products that can be applied on a certain and difficult condition and for human. Thirdly, it can save information where it has gone out for easy checking. Finally, it can reduce the breadth of virus COVID-19 in an environment. Virtual methods. Robots use AI algorithm. Their algorithm allow the intelligent selection of targeted disinfection solution and in-house disinfection. The algorithm permits interaction between the disinfection machine and disinfection tank. The AI disinfection robots using sensors to identify damage. Disinfection sensing 3D modeling of hybridization sense view through online synchronous processing and real-time migration using the machine vision targets detection algorithm and AI robots accurately identify disinfection targets independently, plan the operation fast and achieve accurate optimal avoidance. Next, using Apache Network, the future facility checking the record to confirm whether disinfection work has been carried out according to the regulation, whether and whether any area has been overlooked, and whether the disinfection time specification. Their algorithm allow the intelligent selection of targeted disinfection solution and install disinfection for walking using visual sensor and image recognition algorithm. The target disinfection scenario, disinfection targets and surrounding personnel can be identified. The corresponding disinfection mode operating as flow after automatic identification of target virus disinfection plan and methods are adopted according to environment and required cleaning level, including high-level disinfection for wash and ultraviolet disinfection for clinical laboratory and 4K disinfection targets such as operating table and cabinets. Targeted disinfection measures can be adopted include close distance disinfection, local reinforcement disinfection, and surrounding ultraviolet radiation. Battery results: the results were carried out an experiment based at Wuhan Julian Hospital West Campus for the distribution of the disinfection robots operating baths and environmental sanitation building site in isolation water area. During the 3 days of the disinfection project, the total number of environment microbial formulants in one area were lower than before disinfection. A continued downward trend remained at low level for at least 1 day after the cessation of the installation robot disinfection, so that quality of disinfection is high. But for discussion and conclusion, technology has been brought to light to serve people in all areas of life, including the medical industry, with a trend of science and technology. The robots facilitate informatic management and environment disinfection and rely cost control and efficient improvement. Robots can improve disinfection future for humans. Thank you for listening.